Hi everyone, I'm Katherine and I'm a TA at the Young Scientists Program through USC. I used to teach 4th grade at Mack and Norwood Elementary Schools. I hope you're super excited for the lesson today. Today we are going to be learning about pulleys, which is a continuation from last time's simple machines. As a review, simple machines are helpful so that humans can do tasks that might be extremely difficult or heavy. Examples are pulleys, levers, wheel and axles, wedges, inclined planes, and screws. What are some examples of these simple machines that we can think of in our own lives? Today's lesson is going to focus on pulleys. A pulley allows you to reverse the direction of your lifting force by pulling down on a rope that's looped over the wheel. As you can see in the picture, there's a very heavy block of mass, but because it goes around the wheel at the top, it's a lot easier to lift up that mass using rope that's wrapped around the wheel. Examples of pulleys in our everyday lives are in elevators, rock climbing, closing the window blinds, sailboats, flagpoles, and wells. Can you think of any other examples of pulleys that you might use? We also learned about force and gravity last time. Force occurs when you push something. Gravity pulls things to the ground. Therefore, pulleys are helpful because we are pulling the string to the ground and gravity is helping us out, which makes eventually lifting the heavy object up super easy. Now let's do our question of the day. How can we make carrying heavier objects easier? Use the sentence starter in the slide, or you can make your own sentence. Now it's time for the experiment. To participate, these are the materials you will need: household yarn or string, a 1-liter water bottle or soda bottle filled with liquid or sand and dirt, and a doorknob. Start by trying to lift up the water bottle with one hand. It's pretty hard to do it, right? We're going to try to make a pulley to make it a lot easier. Take your yarn or string and wrap it around the neck of your bottle. You can use scissors to cut it as long as you have parent or guardian supervision. Make sure you knot it twice so it doesn't slip out and fall. You can also do this with the help of a guardian or parent. Try lifting it up. Does it work? Is it heavier or easier? Now wrap the string around the doorknob. Now try to pull down on the other side of the string. As you can see, the water bottle goes up. Did it make it easier? Here's another angle so that you can see what the string looks like wrapped around the doorknob handle. You can use any type of doorknob to do this. As you can see, it's really easy to pull up that large water bottle. Now that we've finished our experiment, it's time for the conclusion. Did you find that using a pulley make it easier to pull up the water or soda bottle? Our scientist of the week is Emily Warren Roebling. She was born in 1843 and died in 1903. She was an engineer best known for her contributions to the completion of the Brooklyn Bridge. Her husband, Washington Roebling, was initially assigned as the chief engineer. However, after he got sick, Emily learned a lot about the strength of materials and cable construction to take over as chief engineer for the next 11 years. Since the materials for the towers on the bridge were heavy, pulleys were used to transport materials. Today, the Brooklyn Bridge is one of the most famous and photographed bridges in New York City. Thanks for joining our experiment today. I hope you guys enjoyed it and learned a lot. See you guys next time.